Looking for that show car shine? Your car deserves a Miracle Detailing. At AMiracleDetailing, we bring out the brilliance in your vehicle with our premium ceramic coating service. Paint preparation and polishing are essential steps before installing any coating. A true ceramic coating isn't just about shine, it's advanced protection. Think long-lasting defense against solvents, acids, oils, dirt, and UV rays. Your paint stays cleaner, longer, and that mirror-like finish, unmatched. We use CQUARTZ Finest Reserve, a nano-diamond ceramic coating that bonds at the molecular level, forming a slick, hydrophobic shield that lasts years, not weeks. No more endless waxing, no more fading or dullness. Just a deep, glossy finish that protects and turns heads. AMiracleDetailing, where shine meets science. Schedule your free quote today.